So as you guys already know, this year we are neither going to see the 9T Pro nor the 9T, which is the first time in 5 years that OnePlus decided not to release the T series smartphones. But right now we are starting to get some information about the OnePlus 10 series and it's a little bit saucy. Also guys, if you are enjoying, then please make sure to subscribe to the channel. So we have our very first leak about the OnePlus 10 series, and it comes from Yogesh, who states that OnePlus is working on Series 10 phones which are being pitched as polished 9 series models. Apart from this, a bunch of Nord series models are on the roster as well. They are expected to announce some new accessories at the launch. So he provides information about a bunch of stuff, but let's first look at the OnePlus 10 series. So as the leak suggests, the OnePlus 10 series will probably resemble the 9 series, and this includes all of the 10 series, which is OnePlus 10, the OnePlus 10 Pro and the OnePlus 10R. The OnePlus 10 Pro will have a curved screen of WQHD resolution, and the 10 and the 10R will have a flat displays of Full HD resolution. From the back, all of the three models will look extremely similar to the 9 series models, with the camera bump on the top left corner, but the size and the shape of the bump could change slightly to accommodate the newer camera modules, which OnePlus said are being developed in collaboration with Hasselblad. The OnePlus 9 series did also come with a Hasselblad tag, but that was only the software tuning done by Hasselblad, but the 10 series will come with hardware which is being developed by Hasselblad in collaboration with OnePlus. But the question also is that, would OnePlus give this Hasselblad hardware in the 10 and the 10R? We actually don't have any intel on that, but if I have to make a guess, I think it will only be present in the 10 and the 10 Pro and likely not in the 10R. Now because the 10 series will most likely be a polished 9 series, you can say it's an evolution not a revolution, and that probably could be a good thing. We don't need super big changes every single year, just polish the 9 series and don't increase the price anymore. I know asking for a price cut is silly, but since it's an evolution not a revolution, the prices should be kept the same. And there is some precedent if you look for it. Samsung didn't increase the price from S8 to S9 or S10 to S20. So if OnePlus could do that, it will be the best thing they could do for their smartphone business. Usually this used to be the job of the T series, not increasing the price by a lot and polishing the earlier smartphones, and they actually did a great job with that. But now that the T series has been cancelled, the 10 series will be a polished 9 series, which I don't think is a bad thing, but again, OnePlus don't really need to hike up the price a lot. As of now, this is all we know about the OnePlus 10 series. Let me know your thoughts about the 10 series being an evolution not a revolution. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more such videos. You can also say hi to me on Instagram or Twitter. And with that being said guys, thanks a lot for watching.